Hi everyone, it's Tammy. Do you guys know Expression Fiber Arts? If you don't, you need to check her out. She has a YouTube channel and her name is, why don't I remember her name? I think it's Sherry. I don't remember her name and I apologize, but she is adorable and she is the person that I first watched when I was learning how to knit. She has a video on how to knit for absolute beginners and that's the one that I watched. And I love, 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 love her stuff. And when I first started knitting, I was like, there is no way I can afford her yarn because it's like expensive in my opinion. It's almost, some of it, it's probably average of $30 a skein. But now that I've been a knitter for a little bit, I've realized that for wool and indie dyed, which just means independently dyed by someone, that's really not a bad price, and that is about average. So when I want something that's a little unique or a little special, I will splurge sometimes, and she was having a sale where she was offering 20% off, so I ordered some yarn, and this is beautiful. She had, and every week, if you sign up for her newsletter, every week she will send you a free pattern. Sometimes it's crochet, sometimes it's knit, but it's always wonderful. It smells very sheepy. This is beautiful. So again, it's Expression Fiber Arts, and I'll try to remember to leave her link below. This is the color Rooted. It is Superwash Dewy DK, 70% Superwash Merino, 20% nylon, 10% silk. You get 250 yards, it's 4-ply, and it says to use a knit needle size 6 to 8 or crochet G or H. So look at how beautiful this is. It's such a beautiful blue. Oh my goodness. I don't know why it's called Rooted. To me, this is like a ocean marine mermaid kind of a blue. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay, dorky. But I got 5 of these, and then I got 2 of these, and it's hard to tell online, but I am certainly hoping that these match, because one of her free patterns was like a little poncho thing, and it looked really cute, and I thought that I would do it in this, and then I'd put this on the bottom, and I think that will be really pretty. Oh my goodness. So this is called Wilderness. It's Superwash Dewy, 70% merino, 20% nylon, 10% silk. Same blend. 250 yards, 4-ply, same exact. So that's wonderful. It works out very well. So this one doesn't smell quite as sheepy as this one, but they both smell and feel, oh, just regular squishy and mushy and wonderful. And I think that looks really pretty together. So I'm excited. I'm going to try it. I probably won't cast this one on for a little while, but yeah, I wanted you guys to see. And then I also got this. This was only $5, and it's an Expression Fiber Arts nail care kit. So it has a little snap, and then it just has all the little things. And I thought that this would be nice to keep with my yarn, because sometimes, you know, I get a hangnail or something and it catches on my yarn. And I thought, ooh, this would be a good thing to keep in with my yarn stuff so that if I need it, I'll have it. So that's where that is going. And otherwise, I have 2 skeins of this. Lovely, lovely. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, I did it, didn't I? 5 skeins of this beautiful, beautiful yarn. So, I'm excited, and that is going to be a beautiful, I hope, poncho-ish thing for me. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye, guys.